Welcome back to our channel, Calm Mind and Healthy Body. As we age, maintaining our health becomes increasingly important, and one of the key components to longevity is ensuring we get the right vitamins. Essential vitamins support our immune system, enhance cognitive function, and promote well-being. For older adults, these nutrients can help combat age-related issues, making it vital to prioritize their intake. However, affordability and accessibility are significant concerns for many seniors. That's why today, we'll focus on essential vitamins that are beneficial and budget-friendly. Incorporating these vitamins into your daily routine doesn't have to break the bank. These nutrients can be found in everyday foods or as cost-effective supplements. Adjusting your diet or supplement regimen can significantly enhance your health and vitality. Imagine feeling more energetic, sharper, and ready to take on the day. These are just a few benefits of ensuring you get the right vitamins. So, whether you're looking to boost your immune system, support your heart health, or improve your mood, this video will guide you through the essential and affordable vitamins that can make a real difference. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily incorporate these vital nutrients into your everyday routine. Before diving deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Vitamin D. The sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin, and for good reason. This essential nutrient is pivotal in maintaining bone health, especially for older adults. One of its primary functions is to aid in calcium absorption, which is crucial for building and maintaining strong bones. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing calcium, making adequate vitamin D levels even more important to support bone density and prevent fractures. For older adults, the risk of osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak and brittle bones, increases significantly. Maintaining sufficient vitamin D levels can help mitigate this risk. Fortunately, there are affordable sources of vitamin D that can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. Fortified foods like milk, orange juice, and cereals are excellent options. Additionally, spending time outdoors in sunlight can naturally boost your vitamin D levels, as your skin synthesizes this vitamin when exposed to UV rays. Being proactive about vitamin D intake is essential, as low levels can lead to serious health issues. Ensuring you get enough of this vital nutrient can support your bone health and enhance your overall quality of life. So, let's prioritize vitamin D in our journey toward healthier aging. Vitamin B12. The energy booster. Vitamin B12 is often hailed as the energy booster of the vitamin world, and for good reason. This essential nutrient plays a vital role in supporting nerve health and the production of red blood cells, which are crucial for maintaining energy levels and cognitive function. As we age, our bodies may struggle to absorb vitamin B12 effectively, leading to fatigue and cognitive decline. Ensuring adequate levels of this vitamin can help keep your mind sharp and your energy levels high. Fortunately, several affordable sources of vitamin B12 can easily fit into your diet. Foods like eggs, dairy products, and fortified cereals are excellent options to help you meet your daily requirements without breaking the bank. Incorporating these foods into your meals can provide a tasty and nutritious way to boost your B12 intake. Monitoring your vitamin B12 levels, especially as you age, is essential. Low levels can lead to serious health issues, including anemia and neurological problems. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider help ensure that you maintain optimal levels of this essential vitamin. By prioritizing vitamin B12 in your diet, you can support your energy levels and cognitive health, paving the way for a more vibrant and active lifestyle as you age. Vitamin C, the immune defender. Vitamin C is often celebrated as the immune defender, and its benefits extend far beyond just warding off colds. This powerful antioxidant plays a crucial role in boosting the immune system by protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which is vital for maintaining healthy skin, joints, and connective tissues. As we age, our bodies require more support to keep our skin youthful and resilient, making vitamin C an essential nutrient in our daily routine. Fortunately, plenty of affordable sources of vitamin C can easily be added to your diet. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are well known for their high vitamin C content, but don't overlook other options like bell peppers and broccoli. These colorful vegetables are delicious and packed with this essential vitamin, making it easy to boost your intake without spending much. Moreover, maintaining adequate levels of vitamin C is crucial for reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain cancers. By prioritizing this vitamin in your diet, you can enhance your immune function and support your overall health. So let's embrace vitamin C as a key player in our journey toward better health and well-being. Vitamin E, the antioxidant protector. Vitamin E is often referred to as the antioxidant protector, and its benefits are particularly significant for heart health and combating skin aging. This powerful nutrient protects our cells from oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic diseases, including heart disease. By neutralizing free radicals, vitamin E helps maintain healthy blood vessels and supports overall cardiovascular health, making it an essential component of a heart-healthy diet. Incorporating vitamin E into your meals doesn't have to be expensive. Plenty of affordable sources can easily fit into your daily routine. Nuts such as almonds and hazelnuts are excellent sources of vitamin E, as are sunflower seeds. Additionally, green leafy vegetables, including spinach and kale, provide a nutritious way to boost your intake of this vital nutrient. Including vitamin E in a balanced diet is particularly important for older adults. As we age, our bodies may become more susceptible to oxidative damage, making it crucial to prioritize antioxidants like vitamin E. By ensuring you get enough of this nutrient, you can support your heart health and help reduce the visible signs of skin aging. So let's make vitamin E a staple in our diets and embrace its protective benefits for a healthier, more vibrant life. These are the essential vitamins that play a crucial role in supporting the health of older adults. Vitamin D is vital for bone health and calcium absorption, helping to prevent osteoporosis. Vitamin B12 boosts energy levels and cognitive function, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant supporting the immune system and skin health. Lastly, vitamin E protects cells from oxidative stress and promotes cardiovascular health. These vitamins contribute significantly to overall well-being, making them essential components of a balanced diet. Consider incorporating these vitamins into your daily meals, whether through affordable food sources or supplements. Ensuring you get enough of these nutrients can lead to a healthier, more vibrant life as you age. Remember, small changes in your diet can significantly impact your health. If you found this information helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from learning about these essential vitamins. Together, we can promote healthier aging and empower ourselves and our loved ones to live our best lives. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.